Charleroi Area School District says a student who was diagnosed with tuberculosis returned to school before they were allowed to.
Yeah, now the district's taking action to make sure there was no spread of the bacteria to other students and staff. Chris Hoffman has their message to parents.
In a letter sent out to parents and families from the district, they say they spoke with the State Department of Health, who says no public health action is required right now. According to the district superintendent, the student was diagnosed a couple of weeks ago, and they were in class today without a doctor's approval to return to school. That student was reportedly isolated and sent home. District leaders say they thoroughly cleaned the areas where the student isolated.
Usually after 2 weeks or a little bit more of receiving treatment, a person's contagiousness drops dramatically.
UPMC's Dr. Graham Snyder couldn't comment on this case directly, but says the vaccine is not required of children in the United States. He says we see a low volume of cases in the country, but when a case happens, public health leaders document it to do contact tracing and see if anyone else has been exposed. In this particular case, state leaders stated no public health action is required.
Working with the household, with employers, with schools, with whatever other community setting that person may have been in, to track down other people who may have been exposed to the bacteria.
It was on December 27th the district sent out a letter addressing rumors of an outbreak of tuberculosis. The district says there was not a case, and they worked with the State Department of Health to confirm that at the time there were no active cases of TB in the schools. Because of this letter, some parents and families expressed concern about today's letters on social media. In an email, the superintendent tells us there are, again, no active cases in the district. The student that was sent home today was out of an abundance of caution until they are cleared by a doctor. The Department of Health says if any changes are needed, they will notify the district immediately. In Charleroi, Washington County, Chris Hoffman, KDKA-TV News.